Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Flying Abroad. In this video, we will talk about UK University interview.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Priyansh.
Priyansh, today I will take your university interview and I inform you, please speak slow while I taking your interview because while you speak your answer, I am noting down your answer.
Okay,
Can we start?
yes, Mr.
Okay. Tell us something about yourself.
My name is Priyansh Sanjay Gajera. I was born on 12th October 2001. I live in Amreli, which is a small town of Gujarat.
What is your education background?
I have completed 10th grade in March 2017 with 95.66 percentage and 12th grade in March 2019 with 92.50 percentage, both from Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board.
Have you worked since you finished your last qualification?
Yes, after completing my last qualification, I am working at MK Enterprise as an office administration.
Okay. Do you have any agent?
Yes, I have an agent from Casa Overseas and he devote me time and help me in every way to my visa produce and I am fully satisfied from their service.
Did you give any English test?
Yes, I did give Duolingo exam.
And what score you achieved?
I achieved overall band score is 115.
Okay. What are your future plan after completing your education?
After completing my bachelor degree, I would like to come back my home country. There is a best scope for me as a business assistant, business consultant, and so on. By acquiring internationally recognized degree from the UK in business management, I can get job opportunities in many top multinational companies in Gujarat, such as Reliance, Adani, Tata Industry, as a post of marketing manager, business analysis, regional manager, and etc. This program will improve my management knowledge and skill like decision making, business strategies, project planning, and so on.
Okay. Why do you want to study in a UK instead of your own country?
There is a numerous reason why I choose UK. UK's education system is the best in all over the world. More than 5 lakhs international students are studying in the UK. UK has wide variety course available for international students. UK is a very peaceful country and crime rate is also less over there. The UK has always been the first and foremost choice of the student who went to study in abroad. A degree from UK will give me a competitive advantage in the job market and help me improve my career purpose. Studying in UK will provide me benefit of international degree, which has high value all around the world as well as in India. The UK education system is rated as the world best in the standard established in teaching, learning, and research. That's why I choose UK.
Okay. Then why did you not consider your own country?
There are few reasons why I am not considered to purchase my bachelor degree in my home country. International Year 1 Business and Management course is not available in India, as India's population is quite high. So competition level is also high over here. Thus difficult for me to get seat in a reputed university. The teaching method in UK and in India universities are very different. The education and quality of life is far better in foreign country as compared to India. I believe that studying in such a developed country will help me to explore opportunities that can be beneficial for me in both ways, my personal and professional life, which I will not get in my home country. Third, India provides more focus on theoretical knowledge, whereas UK provides practical theoretical both.
Okay. Why did you not consider any other university?
I did research about other countries such as Australia and Canada. I am least interested because of high value and high cost of living and tuition fees. If I talk about Australia, it provide a long-term cost. If I talk about Canada, it's a freezing cold and gray all the time. So there are some cities in the UK, they are also freezing cold, but in comparison to Canada, it's not that cold and gray all the time. Australia is a not politically stable country, which means it will not be safe for international students. Also, Australia comes third for international student after the USA and UK. I thought to myself, why choose to the third option if I have the opportunity to study in the UK?
Okay. Priyansh, just speak slow.
Okay,
Tell us something about the university you researched.
I did research Kingston University. University of Kingston is most popular and the largest university in the UK. The university is known for its innovation and research in education. University of Kingston library facilities and benefits students can get from it. University Kingston University is more than a place of education. It will prepare me for employment and life in the future. It is ranked within the top 15 universities in the UK and offering career focused course and excellent teaching. The university is the perfect place for ambitious students with big plans in business. The university is based in the beautiful riverside town of Kingston upon Thames. It is a safe, student-friendly town and just 25 minutes from the center of London.
Okay. What is your course based?
My university located at Gresham Road, Kingston upon Thames, London. Code is K12TT, United Kingdom.
Which other university you have researched?
I have researched about Teesside University and University of Bedfordshire, but I comparison different universities like Teesside, Bedfordshire, and Kingston. I compared course fees, course duration, course structure, and their location. After comparison, I found that Kingston University is the very best for me because I like the course structure, location, which I require. That's why I choose the Kingston University.
Okay. What is your course code?
My course code is 2676164.
Which course are you applying for?
I am applying for International Year 1 Business and Management.
And how many modules in your course?
There are 5 modules in my course.
Which five modules?
First and foremost one is that business strategics and IT. Second one is that economics for business. Third one is that international year one academic English skill. Fourth is marketing practice, and fifth is organization behavior.
Okay. Can you tell something about business strategic and IT?
Yes, this module is about managing business information. The course will enable you to appreciate, understanding, and use the manual dependency of mathematics and information technology in solving business problems. The course aims to familiarize you me with mathematics techniques and to help me appreciate how and understanding of a virus interested mathematics topic is initial in business.
Okay. Can you tell something about international year one academic English?
Yes, the International Year 1 Academic English Skill module aims to provide me for the training in the language and related academic skill which will enable my to best achieve my academic potential at university.
Okay. What is the marketing practice?
This module is designed to provide me with a broad understanding of the nature of the marketing function and of what marketers do.
Okay. And what is the organizational behavior?
The module will introduce me to core topic and concept about the behavior, and management of people in work situation.
Okay. What is your annual fees of your course?
My annual course fees are 15,235, and first installment is 10,000.
When does the course start and end?
My course will start on 10th January 2022 and will end 12th August 2022.
Okay. Why do you want to study this program?
The International Year 1 will prepare my necessary knowledge and skill to progress to the second year of my education degree.
How much do you need to live in a UK?
Living expense would be approximately to 12,006 per pound per year.
Okay. Where will you live in a UK?
I will stay at university accommodation.
What is the cost of your accommodation?
The cost between 150 pound and 200 pound.
Okay. What facility your university accommodation provide you?
If I on university accommodation, the university accommodation provide me some Wi-Fi, fully furnished kitchen, and so on.
Okay. Are you being sponsored by someone?
Yes, my father is sponsoring me.
Okay. Please give me a full answer.
My father has a agriculture business, and he has enough money to pay my tuition fee and my living cost during my stay in UK. And my father annual income is 90,000 pound.
Okay. Are you going to work if permitted in the UK?
No, my main priority to study and get international recognized degree.
What is your monthly expense in India?
My monthly expense would 8,000 to 9,000 INR only.
Okay. Do you have any property in your country?
Yes, I have property in form of a house, some gold ornaments, agricultural lands in village, and fixed deposit in my bank account.
What facility are you expecting in the university?
I'm expecting some basic facilities at the university, such as the library, sports facilities, and education environment, which any other activities so to refresh my mind, like a breakout area, student purpose service, food court, gym, and so on.
Okay. What is the distance between airport to your university?
University to Heathrow Airport distance is 7.9 miles.
Okay. Can you know about any nearest metro station and bus stop?
Yes, I will take help from application like TFL, means Transport for London, and I did research about. So Kingston University Brownlee Hall, so Kingston upon Thames, postcode is KT1 to TT, United Kingdom, only 1 minute from campus.
Okay. How will you studying in the UK help your academic?
Complete my bachelor education in the UK will help me to improve my skill and perception of my mind, especially in programming, fundamental networking, and so on.
What salary do you expect on coming back to your country?
After coming back to my home country, I am expecting 8 to 9,000 GBP at the initial days.
What kind of saving do you have?
I have saving some funds about 90,000 GBP in my account. It's helped me in the future.
Who give you this fund in your account?
My father gives me some support because for my higher education.
Okay. Are you planning to work in the UK while you study?
No, I am not planning to work in the UK while studying because my main focus on study.
How many hours can you work while you are intended to study?
I did research about as per UKVI regulation, and student can work up to under 20 hours per week.
Do you know the likely hour rate of pay?
Yes, I reaches about as between 18 to 20 is £7, and as between 21 and 24 is £9 per hour.
Okay. What is the purpose of your trip?
My main motive from this trip is to get an education from world famous country and a new city. A bachelor degree from a very good university will help me to get job in the future. Apart from this, I want to analyze my era of knowledge, skill, and my management skill also improve.
Okay. What will the responsibility as you are international student?
As an international student, I will follow all the rules and regulation made by the government, and will not be part of any further activity, and also carrying a passport all the time with me while traveling in UK.
What will you do in your free time?
In leisure time, I would love to travel tourist place and also get to socialize with the local in UK.
How will you travel from airport to your campus?
I will travel from airport to campus by taxi.
Okay. Tell us something about the university you researched in Australia or another country.
I said earlier, I'm not research about, but their cost are also very high, and Australia provides long-term cost, so I do not research.
Okay. What is your passport number?
My passport number is T9775892.
Okay. Very nice answer, Priyansh.
Okay,
Now your interview is complete, and I will inform your agent about your results.
okay.
Okay.